test form C trailer. Got my headboard properly mounted, secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. All the rivets are in place. There's no holes, and it can support the weight of a shifting load. Got my clearance light properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, amber in color. Side of the trailer properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged. All the rivets are in place, no holes. It can support the weight of a shifting load. Got my trailer frame, cross members properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged. I've got the floor properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no holes. Got my landing gear and foot properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, free of debris, and raised all the way up into the fully raised position. Got my crank handle properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, stored properly. DOT tape properly mounted and secured, clean and present around the entire trailer. Got my signal light, four-way flasher, marker light, reflector, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, amber in color. Got my trailer air supply lines, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, and not leaking. Got my tandem release, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged. It's a pneumatic release, so the air lines are not leaking, and it's in the lock position. I've got my sliding tandem release pins, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, fully out in the lock position. This is an air ride trailer. So I've got my airbags properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, not leaking. Upper and lower airbag mounts properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged. Got my shock absorber properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. Got my brake lines, brake hoses properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, and not leaking. Air chamber, brake chamber properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. Clamp is in place. I've got my push rod, slack adjuster properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged. With the brakes released, there should be no more than 1 inch of free play. I've got my brake drum properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, free of debris and contaminants, and no illegal welds. Got my brake shoes properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no less than 1/4 inch thickness at their thinnest point, and free of foreign fluids or contaminants. So I've got my inner and outer rims properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, free of debris, no illegal welds. They're properly butted with no gap, and there's nothing, the tires are not touching. Got my tires properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. They're evenly worn, no less than 2/32 of an inch tread depth at the thinnest point. Built to manufacturer specs are 100 PSI and not leaking. All right, got my lug nuts properly mounted and secured, all present, not broken, cracked, or damaged. There's no shiny threads or rust trails that would indicate a loose lug nut. Got my hub seal properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. There's a sight glass that tells me it's filled to the proper level. I'd inspect this axle just as I did that one. It's my mud flap, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no less than 8 inches off the ground. Got my ABS light, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, amber in color. Marker light, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, red in color. All right, top to bottom, I've got my 3 clearance lights, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, red in color. Got my sliding door or roller door, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged. The roller cables are properly mounted and secured, no cuts, tears, or frays. The door handle is behind the lift gate. It's properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, and in the lock position. I've got my left side and right side turn signal, 4-way flasher, marker light, reflector, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, red in color. Got my left and right brake light, tail light, marker light, reflector, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, red in color. Got my license plate light, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, clear in color. I've got DOT tape, both rows, top and bottom, properly mounted and secured, not clean and present. I've got my DOT bumper, properly mounted and secured, not broken, cracked, or damaged, and will support the weight of the driver.